What's up, guys? Just hanging out in the shop today. I'm building a post for this mailbox, and I've got a little tip on laying out holes that I want to show you guys. It's been real helpful to me over the years. I learned this tip several years ago back when I worked in the shop, just fabricating structural stuff, but real handy tip for laying out holes. So let's get started. It's got several holes in it, but I'm going to go with these middle four right here just to make it simple. What I do when I'm measuring holes, I usually burn an inch or two just so I can get an exact measurement. And then I measure from one side of the hole to the other side of the hole. Like the same, if I start on this side of the hole, I measure to this side of the hole. And the reason that's easier, like if you got a bigger hole you're dealing with, you get more of a precise measurement by going from the edge, this edge to this edge, instead of trying to eyeball the center. You know, these little holes, not too big a deal, but I just wanted to show you guys this while I was doing this. So that's a little tip. Don't sound like much, but it's a very, very handy tip when you're doing precise fabrication. You know, it's helped me a lot. I hope it helps you guys. I actually learned this tip from the shop foreman at the shop I worked at right out of high school. Very, very knowledgeable man. Kept my mouth shut, opened my ears, and I was eager to learn. So that's who I learned it from. Learned a lot from that man. The job didn't pay very good, but it was well worth having. It was very good people to work for, and I learned so much working there from him, just from listening and watching. And like I said, I was real eager to learn. So anyway, I want to pass that on to you guys. I've actually got this piece of plate already cut out. Got my holes laid out, and I'm going to drill them 4 holes, and then I'm going to put a post right here in the center and bolt it on. Another helpful tip, I'm fixing to drill these holes in this plate, and before you drill holes, especially if you're doing it by hand, even if you got a mag drill or a drill press, it's good to punch them so your drill bit gets started. It's another good piece of advice. And don't forget safety glasses. Safety first. They got newer style. This is old style, but it's all good. Another thing Bobby taught me was to use oil whenever you're drilling into this metal. It'll save your drill bits. So it does wonders, and it drills a lot easier and everything. Just keeps that bit cool. I'm just using motor oil, but they make oil for drill bits, I believe. But I just use motor oil because that's what I have laying around. Also, whenever I'm just hand drilling like small holes like this, and if you guys only have a hand drill or only have these type of drill bits with a hand drill, that's all I have right now, it makes it a lot easier if you put a pilot hole. I'm looking for 1/4 inch holes, and I've got, this is probably an 1/8 inch bit or so. It's a smaller bit. I start out with a smaller hole. That'll also make it easier if you start with a smaller hole. bolted on. All I got left is to snug these bolts up, and that's it. That's it for this project. Now all we got to do is set the post. But that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope y'all were able to get something out of it, learn something. But come back and see me for our next video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.